From discarded waste to high-tech raw material, witness the incredible engineering that turns a broken bottle into a masterpiece of sustainability.
We'll reveal the hidden transformation, the laser precision of optical sorting, the intense heat of the furnace, and the science of the infinite loop. Follow the journey through air knife classification, high-speed pneumatic sorting, and the 2,800-degree heart of the manufacturing furnace. This is the engineering of the future. This is the art of the remelt. This is the story of glass.
The journey begins with tons of raw waste arriving daily.
Heavy machinery handles the massive weight of the incoming material.
Vibration spreads the bottles thin for a closer inspection. Initial manual sorting removes large, non-glass contaminants.
Magnets automatically extract ferrous metals, like bottle caps.
The primary crusher begins the transformation from container to shard. High-velocity hammers shatter the glass into uniform pieces.
A fine mist suppresses silica dust, keeping the air clear. Conveyors transport the shards to the sorting towers. Mechanical screens sift out rocks and heavy debris.
Constant monitoring ensures the machinery operates at peak efficiency.
Aluminum is detected and pushed away using electromagnetic force. Gravity-fed hoppers regulate the flow into the next stage. Sensors alert the system to any unwanted ceramic impurities. The facility operates 24 hours a day to process the stream.
Rotating drums sift the glass into specific size categories.
Only pieces of the correct size pass through to the next stage. High-velocity air knives strip away lightweight labels and plastic.
Cyclones spin the air to trap fine glass dust.
Density separation ensures the glass is free of film and paper.
Gravity and air work together to finalize the cleaning process.
Continuous vibration prevents the shards from clumping.
Precision control allows for a steady, manageable feed. Thermal drying removes any remaining sticky residues.
Heat sanitizes the material, preparing it for high-tech sorting.
Valves regulate the volume entering the optical chambers. Quality control starts with maintaining the correct processing temperature.
Secondary grinders reduce larger pieces into fine, sand-like grains.
This fine material is what manufacturers call cullet. A final magnetic sweep ensures zero metallic contamination. The glass enters a light-controlled environment for color sorting.
Advanced cameras scan the belt thousands of times per second.
Lasers identify individual shards by their color and opacity.
Spreading the shards thin is vital for camera accuracy.
Pinpoint air jets knock unwanted shards off the line.
Ceramics are removed to prevent defects in the final glass.
The result is a perfectly separated stream of pure color. Proprietary software tracks the purity of every batch in real time. Multiple stages of sorting guarantee a 99.9% purity rate. Clear glass is the most valuable and requires the highest purity.
Amber glass is diverted for use in the beverage industry.
Green glass is separated for wine and specialty bottles. Each batch is visually inspected before it leaves the facility.
Human oversight ensures the automated systems remain calibrated. The refined material is now ready for its next life.
Massive indoor bunkers keep the furnace-ready cullet dry and clean.
Loaders move thousands of tons to satisfy industrial demand. Logistics are tightly timed to keep the supply chain moving.
Random samples are taken to verify purity levels.
Granulometry tests ensure the grain size is perfect for melting.
In the lab, every gram is measured for chemical consistency.
Smaller batches are packed into 1-ton sacks for specialty manufacturers.
Each bag is sealed and labeled for full traceability.
The facility serves as a critical reservoir for the glass industry.
Precise weight measurements ensure accurate delivery to the glass plant. The cullet is now officially certified for the furnace. Bulk tankers use air pressure to load the fine glass sand. The recycled material begins its journey to the manufacturer.
Transportation links the waste of yesterday with the products of tomorrow.
A facility that never sleeps, closing the loop on waste.
Cullet is mixed with raw sand to create the perfect glass recipe. The mixture is fed continuously into the intense heat.
At 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit, the recycled glass melts instantly.
Chemical reactions purify the liquid into a molten pool.
The liquid glass flows like lava toward the forming machines. Mechanical shears cut the glass into precise, weighted portions.
Gravity guides the molten gobs into the forming molds.
The initial shape is formed in seconds using high-pressure air.
Air pressure forces the glass into its final container shape.
Each bottle emerges glowing red at nearly 1,000 degrees.
Slow cooling in the annealing leher prevents the glass from shattering.
A protective coating is applied to prevent scratches during shipping. Automated sensors check for structural flaws at millisecond speeds. Any imperfect bottle is immediately sent back to be remelted. Precision robotics stack the finished products for delivery.
Pallets are secured for a safe journey to the bottling plant.
From the factory to the distributor, the cycle continues.
The recycled bottle returns to the shelf, indistinguishable from new.
Glass is infinitely recyclable, without any loss in quality.
A sustainable choice that protects the taste and the planet. One simple action restarts the entire industrial process.
Collection is the vital link that keeps the loop closed.
By crushing at the source, we maximize transport efficiency.
Glass recycling, a perfect, infinite circle of renewal. Infinite life, infinite glass. Created for the future.